friends, today we're making a Valentine's Day bird feeder. So for my materials, I have a pair of scissors, some string, one pipe cleaner, and then I have some strawberry Cheerios. I chose the strawberry ones because I like that they're kind of pink. I thought that would be extra fun and festive for Valentine's Day, but you could use any type of Cheerio type cereal you would like. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is take our pipe cleaner and we're gonna wanna make this into a heart, but for now I'm just gonna bend it like this into a V, just like that. And now I'm going to start threading my Cheerios onto here, onto the V. And then once I'm done threading the Cheerios, so once I get up to the top on each side, then I'm just gonna bend it down into a heart and wrap it around so we can close it. I'll show you once we get there. So now we're just gonna string all the Cheerios onto our pipe cleaner. And you actually wanna leave a little bit empty up on the top of each side of the pipe cleaner so that you can tie it or kind of close it, wrap it together. So I'm gonna leave that part empty. And I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so now I've got almost my whole pipe cleaner threaded with Cheerios, just at the little bit at the top. I'm actually gonna add one more right here. Okay, perfect. So now we're just gonna bend the top down into a heart. And then, so we'll bend it, bend it, bend it. And then I'm just gonna twist the ends onto each other so that it'll stay in the heart shape. There we go. So now we've got our heart shape finished. It twisted it onto itself so it would stay. And the last thing we're gonna do, so I'm gonna take my string, found some fun Valentine's Day looking string, and I'm gonna cut a piece. And then I'm just going to tie it onto my heart, onto my pipe cleaner Cheerio heart. Just gonna tie a little knot. And this is so we can hang it on a tree limb outside. So now I can go outside and hang this on a tree limb for the birds and the squirrels to enjoy. So that's it. There's our Valentine's Day bird feeder. Pretty cute, right? All right, guys, thanks for watching.